that is Grayswood. People are actually all the way down there with the boats. The truck stuck. Cars thought they were gonna make it down here. Ain't nobody getting down this street. Y'all see how fast that water flowing? That's a river. For all intents and purposes, this is a river. That must be a lake back there then. Look at the truck. Ooh-wee. Big truck got it made. Yeah, they ain't gonna try going down there by that bayou. Everybody making that turn into that parking lot right there. You notice they all trucks, no cars. Look at that drain right there. Right there in front of that lady with that umbrella. It's a fast moving water, people. We'd be off your feet in seconds. Brother Esquire had to traverse the elements to show y'all this right quick. This is what we living in. Y'all be good and be safe.